Dear children, you have already studied about the meaning of fraction and types of fraction. So in today's session, you will be learning about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fraction. So let's begin with addition of fraction. Let's see how to add the fraction 3 by 2 plus 4 by 5. To add the fraction, you have to remember in a fraction you have the numerator and the denominator. Numerator is always at the top and denominator is always on the bottom. So here 3 and 4 number which is in the top are the numerator and 2 and 5 number which are in the bottom are the denominator. Now let's see the step 1 to do the addition. Make your denominator the same number. Here you can see in the denominator you are having 2 and 5 which are the different number. So first step is you have to find the highest common factor. So you are multiplying 2 by 5 and 5 by 2. Please note whatever the number is multiplied in the denominator should also be multiplied to the numerator. So 2 is multiplied by 5, same thing is multiplied to 3 as 5. In the right side, both numerator and denominator is multiplied by 2. Now let us do the multiplication of these terms. In the numerator, you are having 3 into 5 which is 15 divided by 2 5s are 10 plus 4 2s are 8 divided by 5 2s are 10. After taking the highest common factor, you can see both the terms, both the fraction are having the common denominator 10. So you have to keep that common denominator as it is and you are adding the numerator. So 15 plus 8 divided by 10. 15 plus 8 is 23 and denominator is kept as it is. So your final answer will be 23 divided by 10. First we learn to add the fraction, now we learn to subtract them. Here are the two fractions 5 by 6 and 4 by 6. As you all know, denominator should be same whenever you are going to add or subtract the fraction. Here you are already having the denominator same as 6. So write the denominator 6 as it is. And numerator is subtracted 5 minus 4 which is 1. So your answer will be 1 divided by 6. It is same just like adding the fraction, same denominator, in that you will be adding numerator, here you will be subtracting the numerator. Here you have the denominator 8, numerator you will be subtracting 5 minus 2 which is 3. So your answer is 3 by 8. One more example here. Till now you have studied only the subtraction of fraction having the same denominator, isn't it? Now let us see how to subtract the fraction with the different denominators. Here you have the question 9 divided by 10 minus 3 by 5. You are having the different denominator here. The first step is you have to make the common denominator. So here the common denominator is 10. So 10 ones are 10. So 9 ones are 9. 5 2s are 10. So 3 2s are 6. Your numerator will be 6. You are having same denominator, keep the denominator as it is. Numerator is subtracted 9 minus 6 which is 3. So your answer is 3 by 10. Another problem here with different denominator 3 by 4 minus 1 by 6. Always you have to check the denominator first. You are having different denominator here. Take the highest common factor. You already studied about HCF in your previous class. Use that method of HCF to find the highest common factor, and here you are having the highest common factor 12. So your denominator will be 12. 4 3s are 12. So 3 3s are 9. So your first fraction will be 9 by 12. 6 2s are 12. So 1 2s are 2. So your second fraction will be 2 divided by 12. Now denominator is same. Numerator subtract. 9 minus 2 is 7. So your answer is 7 by 12. Now let us see the summary of this both addition and subtraction. You need to find a common denominator in the first. After that you have to put a common denominator in the answer also. Subtract the numerator or add the numerator depending on the question given, and finally reduce if possible. Now we'll see about multiplying the fraction. Here you have to remember 2 points. One is to multiply numerator and second is to multiply the denominator. Here the numerator is 4 and 2 and denominator is which are in the bottom, that is 5 and 3. So multiplication is very simple. Only you have to remember 2 things here, multiplying numerator and denominator separately. So let us multiply numerator now. 4 2s are 8. So 4 into 2, that is 8. Divided by denominator you are multiplying separately now. 5 into 3. So 5 3s are 15. So your answer will be 8 divided by 15. Isn't it very simple? Multiplication, directly you will be multiplying numerator and denominator. So let us take one more example for multiplying the fraction. Minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 5. Don't forget that negative symbol is there. So first step, you will be multiplying the numerator and then you will be multiplying the denominator. Always remember negative symbol whenever is there in the middle, minus 1 by 2, then it is considered to be in the numerator. If you are having the negative symbol in the middle of the question or middle of the fraction, you are considering it to the numerator itself. So multiply numerator minus 1 into 3 and denominator 2 into 5. So your answer will be minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 and 2 into 5 is 10. So the final answer will be minus 3 by 10. Now let us see dividing the fraction. Here also you have to remember 2 steps. One is to flip the second fraction and next is to multiply. In multiplication, directly you have done the multiplication. Whatever the term is there in the numerator you have multiplied, and whatever term in the denominator you have multiplied, and directly you got the answer. But to do the division, first step here is flip the second fraction. So first fraction write as it is, 3 divided by 5. Put multiplication symbol in the place of division and flip the second fraction. 2 by 3 you will be writing it as 3 by 2, reciprocal. You are flipping that fraction. Whenever you divide division symbol with the multiplication symbol, you have to flip the second fraction. So now 3 3s are 9, 5 2s are 10. So your answer will be 9 divided by 10. Let me give one more example for division of fraction. So here is the example, 1 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 3. So first number 1 by 2 I will write as it is, putting the division symbol, writing second term minus 1 by 3. As you all know, first step is you are changing division symbol with multiplication symbol and flipping the second fraction. So it will be 1 by 2 into minus 3 by 1, because whenever you are having negative symbol it always goes to the numerator. So 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 and 2 into 1 is 2. I hope you all enjoyed with playing with the numbers in finding addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fraction. Try many more problems. Homework will be given for you. Solve that, complete the homework and send it to me. Thank you.